As a SME, you don't know what you don't know. Even as a founder, as a CEO, you don't know what you don't know. So how are you going to figure out that path, right? We saw the Nasscom AI program, which is very well curated, specifically targeted for the SMEs. So we are very glad to be part of this program.
Passion, energy. These are the words that I can think of when I talk about Nasscom AI Champions Program for SMEs.
So as a company also, we believe in community. We believe in open source. So this is right up for our alley.
We are in our AI transitioning journey, and what better time to get into Nasscom and learn from our peers.
What really struck my mind is the kind of questions, and that shows the maturity that has come in with our SME personas.
So we are all learning and unlearning together through this cohort journey for the next 6 months. I think we'll be very well, equipped with what we need to do right. So even yesterday, we started in the early morning learning so many things, and at the end of the day, we just were dancing for the Coolie song. So that is how we are joyfully celebrating this learning. We are now with a group of SMEs who are taking up this AI journey and creating this vision or inducing this vision that we are all going to be AI champions.
Sky's the limit. Go for it, Nasscom.